Ego is my name. You can eat an ego now. Ego, ego is better. Ejemma. 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 Your name is Ejemma. Okay. 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 The person is not picking call. He called before many times. So I tried to return the call, but he's not picking call. Now let's go to this. Let us hear from why searcher. I know some of you don't like to hear from her. Like that's the reason why I want to see how she positioned the lies that trying to be relevant. That's why because of her statement, that's why I said to attach Ezenago to her name now. Because only Ezenago can behave or think the way she thinks. She's trying to be relevant by fire by force. She want to be act as if she's a leader, whereas she's not. Now hear this. Just okay. Now, did you hear that? Ngozi Orabeze, commander of chief of terrorists. So honestly, this is why I don't know, for some of us that I don't understand why I choose to ask this question. I will take it back again. Hear that thing again. Hear it for yourself. Then tell me. Just because if you may ignore, if you're not mad, they may ignore. No matter what I came more, you may call it a distraction, but to me, it's not. Now listen. Now, I don't know if you are paying attention. Are you paying attention at all? I understand what many of us have said, though. I know that it's a distraction, it's a waste of money, waste of time. There's no need. Government, it is your duty to accept insult. Insult differs. What you are saying is just like you as a parent. You have maybe 3 or 4 children. One of your child decided to call you Obummadu, Oyarolana, Obuoch, publicly. He said, "No, I don't want to caution my son or my daughter. I don't want to say anything. It's an insult, and it's a waste of time. And I don't want to say anything. It's a distraction. I don't want to say anything. When you don't want to say anything because you as a parent, is your duty to take insult." Nah, I don't understand it. So that's me. Like I said, we are all brothers and sisters. We have right to our own opinion. To me, I don't think it's the right answer.